Hey guys, Gabs here, a Pinoy Travel Freak, and welcome to this travel vlog. Ari ako karon sa Cebu. I'm here in Cebu. Very excited to be back here. This is my first time to experience Cebu in the new normal. So my next destination here in Cebu after Tabuelen is Bantayan Island. If hindi pa kayo nakapunta ng Bantayan Island, I'm pretty sure you're wondering kung ano yung mga travel requirements doon and paano pumunta. As of June 2021, as of this vlogging, yung mga travel requirements for tourists, medical certificate, valid for 7 days. Second is confirmed hotel or resort booking. Third is valid ID. Fourth is round trip ticket. Fifth is QR code. So the QR code is actually provided by your accommodation. So once you book, you will need to ask them. So how to get to Bantayan Island? If you're me, nagaling sa NCR, from Manila, you can take any flight direct to Cebu, to Mactan Airport. Then, pinaka-practical budget option sa papunta ng Bantayan Island is to commute. So, what you need to do is, pagdating nyo ng Mactan Airport, you will need to take a Grab, taxi, or rent a private car papunta sa North Bus Terminal. The terminal is nasa SM City Cebu na. Yun yung bagong or updated na North Bus Terminal. From there, you can take series bus na bound for Hagnaya. So, maraming bus doon since Bantayan Island is a famous tourist spot. So, madami silang regular trips papuntang Hagnaya. The trip will take around 3 to 4 hours. Pagdating mo ng Hagnaya Port, so you will need to take a ferry or Roro. Yung mga trips doon, regular din. And the travel time is 1 hour. The cost is 185 pesos. After an hour, darating kayo sa Santa Fe Fort. And then pagdating doon, you will need to undergo screening. Doon, i-check na yung mga travel requirements nyo. And then from there, pwede kang magpasundo sa resort nyo or mag-take ng tricycle outside the port papunta sa accommodation nyo anywhere in the island. I just got here in Bantayan Island. Pagdating kanina ng ferry, they will screen you. As a tourist, I presented my medical certificate since I came from outside Cebu Province. They also checked my hotel confirmation, my QR code. And then I paid 30 pesos for the ecological fee. And I'm staying here sa SMAC. I'll give you room tour inside sa room na binook ko dito sa SMAC Hotel. Yung room ko is nasa second floor. They have a queen size bed, full body mirror, smart TV, free Netflix, glasses, water bottle, mugs and complimentary coffee, like open lang na cabinet, 2 pieces of towel and then a face towel, a few hangers. There's a mirror here. Let's open it. Socket, pillows for the seating outside. Let's go to the restroom. It's compact but it looks very clean and new. So may mirror dito, faucet, toiletry soap and hand wash, tissue roll, toilet for hanging of clothes. They have a hot and cold shower. So it's a sliding door. May balcony siya guys. Seating area. Then clothes rack. So tahimik siya. Maybe I'll work here sa area na to, mag-laptop. I booked this room through Agoda lang. I got it for 5,450 pesos for 4 nights na. So parang 1,360 na lang siya per night and may kasama na siyang breakfast. So it's really a good deal. One of the reasons why I chose this particular hotel here in Bantayan Island is that malapit siya sa Kota Beach, which is one of my favorite beaches here is Bantayan Island. So it's within the center of Santa Fe. Malapit yung mga shops dito. Second is, mura lang siya for its price. This hotel opened earlier this year, so bago lang siya. Also, they have separate restaurant. So, kung gusto mo ng food, you can order there anytime. Doon rin manggagaling yung free breakfast na kasama dito sa room.
Dito guys sa Smax Hotel, they have free Wi-Fi. Ito yung speed niya, 11 Mbps according to speed test.
So, if you're interested to stay here, I'll put the link in the description below. Alright guys, so after ko mag-settle kanina sa room ko, dito ako agad pumunta sa Kota Beach. And sobrang ganda guys. High tide siya ngayon. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung sandbar. Walang masyadong tao ngayon. Nandito ako sa ruins. Kasi ito sa mga tourist spots dito sa Bantayan Island. Last minute, I decided to go here. Tapos nagrent ako ng bike. Bike lang ako papunta dito. Around 15 to 20 minutes. Naghahanap ako ng sunset spot. Ito yung unang na-recommend sa akin ni Kuya sa resort. And ito papakita ko sa inyo yung mga videos na nakuha ko a while ago.